Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix search button not showing on home screen after iOS 17 update. This is a new shortcut that allows user to easily tap for spotlight instead of swiping. It can miss because of a wrong setting or a temporary glitch. So today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix search button not showing on home screen after iOS 17 update. First of all, check sure that your search button is enabled on your home screen or not. For checking this, simply tap on your setting, then scroll down and tap on a home search and app library and see that this option is enabled or not. If it's unavailable and it's turned off, simply turn it on. After turning it on, restart your iPhone. If the above setting is enabled but search is still not available at the bottom of your home screen, then restart your device. A fresh start should flush any iOS 17 glitch. For restarting your device, simply tap on General, scroll down and tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your device and you're still facing the same issue, then the possibility is that your iPhone storage is full. Free up your iPhone storage space. There could possibly be a chance that your iPhone device storage capacity gets full and the storage capacity on your iPhone is about to finish. Your iPhone will become lagging and the issue like iPhone search not working will occur. Then simply free up iPhone storage space. After applying this all method and you're still facing the same issue, then try last solution. Reset all settings on your iPhone. To overcome the iPhone search not working error like iPhone App Store's search not working and iOS 17 swipe down the search not working, you can reset all settings available on the iPhone. Simply tap on settings, scroll down and tap on general, again scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.